Hey everyone. Before we break down the intricacies of IPTV VLAN, let me introduce you to 2TV.store, the best IPTV provider available. Contact Nancy for more details. The link's in the description. Let's delve into IPTV VLAN, a technology boosting your streaming quality by reducing network congestion. This enables an optimal IPTV experience, an essential for any streaming aficionado. Imagine seamless streaming with zero latency. VLAN helps organize data traffic, ensures bandwidth prioritization, so your IPTV service remains interrupted and error-free. Sounds intriguing, right? Creating separate virtual networks. VLAN isolates data, enhancing both security and efficiency. With improved isolation, your IPTV streaming remains safeguarded and high-performing. VLAN's role in IPTV is vital, providing quality service as it's scalable and adaptable. This future-proofs your streaming setup with sustainable and reliable performances. Excited yet? With VLAN, IPTV takes a giant leap into the future of streaming. We hope this guide charmed your tech-savvy hearts. Don't forget to contact Nancy